Hello, it's me. I'm back, and you hear background voices. We got Yef working on his bike. Fresh brakes. Fresh. Just finished this side. Brake install. Look at this man flexing. Fresh brakes. You see these headlights right here on Mingo's bike? It's time. It's finally time. We're making a new set of headlights, and I'm ready. I'm more than ready. I already started. I wasn't gonna intro this video until I pulled the headlights off, and I was like, you know what? Got Yef working on his bike. Let me start recording now. It's time. It is time. I'm not gonna do much. It's literally just gonna be a blackout, projectors, HIDs. Simple yet very effective. Oh my goodness! What happened to this bike? Tee-hee! Everything's already apart, ready to rip them open and paint these motherfuckers. Oh, actually, something I need to tell you. When you do these headlights and you want to fit projectors into the R6 specifically, you see this? Nice and empty, right? Now this side, Dremel. You need to Dremel a little piece out, but we'll get to that when I get there. All right, all you R6 owners, 06 to what year is the last one they made it yet? 2015? Yeah. 2016, 2015? Whatever, if you're modding your headlights with projectors, you need to cut out this little square on the low beam, on the high beam side. You gotta cut it out so your projector will fit. If not, you're gonna have a bad time. Trust me. I'm making progress, baby. Look at it. Finished side? Not finished side. So that's what it looks like when you have half done and the lens cover missing. All you gotta do is throw one lens cover on and put the whole bike back together, and we'll be fucking donezo. Yef's fucking sanded his whole gas tank. He's like, dude, I'm done with this shit. He's gonna paint it white to match the fairings. Look at these fresh ass fairings. I showed him on the GoPro, but now you need to see him on the actual fucking G7X. Oh, Yef. Oh. Angry eyes. Angry eyes. You know it wouldn't be a video if Kitty Cat wasn't featured. Kitty Cat! He wants my Pepsi. Kitty cats don't drink Pepsi, Kitty Cat. Currently have these headlights baking in the oven. I can't actually see it, look at it. 7 minutes at 225. Let the glue get nice and toasty. Push them back together and we'll be good to go, right Kitty? Meow. Fresh out the oven, boys. Look at this. Here comes Kitty Cat. There's little spots on the headlights because they're kind of dirty. The outside of the lens is kind of dirty. April will be riding through bugs and shit. Oh, April. Yeah, I'll be riding through bugs. Aprilia. Oh, look at it. These are Kitty Cat's headlights now. Your headlights, not Kitty. Your headlights. He's like, no. Nah. My human. So I went outside to go get something from the garage, and as soon as I walked outside, this cat started screaming even though April was in here with him. Meow. Jeff's back. Jeff went to Home Depot to get some paint for his tank. Good thing he's back. He came back right on time because we're about to go downstairs and throw these puppies on. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Hours later, we're finally done. I'm tired. What? Let me turn them on. I'm tired. I'm sweating. My hands are dirty. Put in some fucking work today. Let's turn them on. Sample time. Damn, she looks mean. Oh, buddy. I'm done. I'm over working on headlights. I'm done. Don't call me for your headlight work anymore. I'm fucking done. Give me like a month off of headlights. Can you do my headlights? Do your own headlights, boy. I know no one. Give me a month before I do anyone else's headlights. Fuck this. I'm done. Give me 2 weeks.
You know what? I'll do one.
Hey, you can do yours. Yeah, fine doing your headlights.
I don't know. I've done headlights before.
BK Moto. BK Moto. Stock Yef headlights.
But they're projectors.
But they're projectors.
It's okay. They're shit projectors.
Mean as fuck. Where's the key at? We're happy with how they turn out. Extra black, extra dark, extra crispy. Looks good.
My provision is so vivid. No critics can fold this kid. Prolific with the way I'm so driven. My potion is straight walking persistence. I don't talk, I just live it.